I got my snow bell. Everyone, check here. It's so amazing. I got my Target. She looks so adorable. It's like, yeah, everyone, look, it's very nice one. So I think maybe you can try to make this one to be a nice present for your own self or maybe to your friends. The Christmas is coming soon. So I think this is very, very suitable to be the Christmas present. For me, I love all of them. Here we have 4 options. So let's check what is inside. Everyone, are you ready for this one? Let me open. Let's open. I want all of them actually. Oh my god! I got this is baby's called about the Bing Bing. It's so cute for this nice item. Oh my gosh! So this is called about the Iceling. So Iceling live in a secret ice palace hidden deep with the ground. So the Iceling lives in the secret ice palace. Oh my god! Already see this beautiful baby. It looks so amazing for this nice item. How special! And we can see the baby also have very tired face. Sometimes it can help us to express the feeling of long time working. Check out this nice item. The baby is wearing a lot of accessories. So let me just take out this one. Oh my god, this is super special. You can see here's a cap, but the cap can be used to be a scarf. So you can just try to do this item. And I think this one will be a nice decoration on your back. The whole body has a skeleton. It allows you to do the freestyle. This is also very cute. You can just try to do the way that you want. If you want to put the tail like this one, you can even make this one like a decoration on your desk. So you can even make this baby on like decoration on your desk. They simply express my spirit of having to work during the holiday for me, right? So I hope every people will have a nice routine for your daily life and also for your festival. Let's check what is inside. I really want to get the snow bell. So already open. Let's check. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging, honey. Check here. It's so sweet because this one is this is string packaging, so that will be very easy for you to store your baby. Right. What we got? Oh my gosh, honey, this is called about and our baby is wearing a very pretty scarf. And above the skirt, they also have the harsher pattern. I love this item. It's just so nice. If you want to do like other style, you can try to DIY your baby. Honey, right here, it also has the snow flower on the middle. Yeah, look at here. I love the snowflake. This looks so stunning. It's just like a fox one, a fox animal. And the baby, the whole body contains for the skeleton. So you can just try to move the way, try to do the style and change the hand direction or any way that you want. And even for the tail, you can try to change the direction of the tail. That's also very special. Everyone, check out this pure fluffy baby. She's also very soft. Actually, for me, I want all of them. So let's check what is inside. We get the star frost. Everyone, check out this cute baby. She's wearing a very beautiful sweater and a hat. Oh my god, everyone! I think this one will be my favorite one. Yeah, I love the snow bell, and also I love this item. She's very special. The baby is wearing a very special sweater, and also on the middle, it also has the snowflake. And also with the knitted hat, that looks so cute. I love this one. And you can see every baby, they all have a tired face. I think they can help us to express the spirit of long time working. But for the last one, I think it should be our Frost Whisper. Yeah, because now we already got 3 items. Let's unboxing. Yes, let's check the baby. Let's try our baby. Let me check the card. Yes, our Frost Whisper. Let's open the baby. I love this item so much. You know, those babies, they are very suitable for the Christmas. So maybe you can just try to get them to be a nice present. So, okay, here. Everyone check here, the Frost Whisper. Oh my gosh. You can see the baby also equipped with about the sock one, the green socks. And also with about the white knitted hat. And above the hat, here also have a beautiful snow flower. Right, it's so cute, oh my gosh. And I think those babies, they all have the snowflake on the middle. That's about those special design, I think. And here also have the socks, that's super special. Check them. Those baby has those different accessories. And those accessories, they all related to the Christmas. So look at it, it looks so amazing. And those accessories can even be Oh, they cannot be take off, but it's also very amazing, isn't it? So if you also want to get them, maybe you can have a try and you can send them to your friends to be a Christmas present. If you love this item, honey, go to check our Christmas Grand PB edition.